welcome back to my channel. My name is Silver and thank you for watching. If you want to see what I got in my Sephora Play subscription box this month, then please keep watching. So today I wanted to do another unboxing of the Sephora Play subscription. So this is my second box. I actually got this in, this would be my May box, but this video won't go up until the first week of June. So, same deal, they have this folded up map, if you will, of all the products that come in your box this month. So I'm gonna set that up so I can read about those. So we have another little bag. This cute one is red this time. Comes with this little Ziploc bag, and it's full of goodies. So the first thing I pulled out is a Lancome Super Enhancing Mascara Base. It is this little mini size. It says Cils, C-I-L-S Booster XL. So this is a base for your mascara. Infused with microfibers and vitamin E, this primer improves your mascara's performance, producing darker, longer, and more voluminous lashes. Plus, it doubles as a nurturing lash mask at night. So it is white, and you just put this on before you do your mascara. So next time I do like a mascara look with no lashes, I will definitely try this out. And the next thing I got, which sticking with lashes, this is another little mini mascara. And I would like to say my mini mascara that I got last month, it was the Urban Decay Pervision. This is so good. I'm actually wearing it on my lashes now. I just feel like it makes them so black and shiny. It coats them really nicely, and I really enjoy it. I might get a full size, or I might just get another sample because I think sample ones work better. This is Benefit Bang. It adds weightless length and volume for up to 36 hours. So Benefit makes great mascara. I'm sure this one's good as well. I will absolutely try that out. We have a perfume spray, and this is Viktor and Rolf Salty Flower. So I just have so many perfume sprays that I guess I'll smell this. It says the notes are warm and spicy, rose and pink pepper. So okay, I can't even open it. It's okay. It doesn't smell like something I'd wear in the summertime, but I might like keep it around, or I might give it to someone. Okay, next I have this little guy, and this is an apple cider vinegar hair rinse. So this is by DP Hue, and it's a shampoo substitute that gently removes impurities. So this shampoo and conditioner substitute protects hair color, adds softness to strands, and refreshes the scalp with natural ingredients like aloe vera, argan oil, and of course apple cider vinegar. So this is probably something that someone with thinner hair would use. I personally cannot get away with using something that's a 2-in-1, like it's supposed to cleanse your hair and add some sort of moisture. That just doesn't work for my hair. I have so much hair, it's thick, it's coarse. I need the real deal. So I might give this away to someone that might benefit from it more than me. But it is a cute little idea, and I'll have to ask them how it worked for them. I do love, I have an apple cider vinegar shampoo that I like by AG Hair Care, and I love it, and I love the smell, so it'll probably smell similar. Oh, it's like sealed, so I can't smell it, but this is probably really cool. I'm gonna have a friend try this out and then get back to you on that, but I don't really need that personally. This is Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. This is by Tarte, and it's the Rainforest of the Sea line, and I've never tried this makeup removing gel cleanser, but this would be good to travel with because it's so small. My last product. Okay, last thing is by Cora, and this is a Nagi Glow Face Oil. Let me see if I can open it. Face oils are kind of a hit or miss for me. Like, I've used some that make me break out and my skin does not like them. They clog my pores. but then others work really well for me because I do have kind of like drier skin, so it just kind of depends. It's trial and error at this point. But this is really cute. It says for all skin types, made from a certified organic nani extract. I don't know if that's like noni or nani, but nani sounds better. This lightweight formula absorbs quickly and leaves the skin soft, visibly plump and glowing. So I will be anxious to try that out. I just started using, it's by Herbivore and it's one of their facial oils, and today was like day one, so far so good, but like I said, sometimes I break out, so that's not good. Okay, that was a good box this month. What's on the no Sephora bingo this month? They probably heard me say I didn't like it last month. But yeah, I'm excited to try these products. Leave a comment down below if you want to see every month my unboxing for my Play subscription. If not, tell me and say, bitch, let's talk about something else. I still will be uploading my TJ Maxx hauls, my shopping videos, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and comment below. Give me a shout out, let me know what your favorite products are. Let's chat in the comment box. No one ever leaves me comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this unboxing haul of my Sephora Play subscription, then give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see every time I upload, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys, thank you. I realize it looks like I'm not wearing a shirt, but I am. Maybe I should like, I swear I have a shirt on. Okay, it's fine, it doesn't matter.